Good day, grade 9. I'm Ma'am Angeles, and we're going to continue our topic about the sum and product of the roots of quadratic equation. So for activity 2.3, we're going to write the equation with integral coefficients given its roots. So for example natin, given natin na x of 1 is equals to 5, tapos yung x of 2 natin is equals to 2. So yung gagawin lang natin, add 5 plus 2, the answer is positive 7. So sa sum, binabago natin yung sign, kaya naging negative 7 siya. Pagdating sa product, multiply lang natin, 5 times 2, the answer is 10. Okay, so the equation will become x squared minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. Kinalang natin yung sum, nilalagay sa gitna, yung product is sa dulo. Okay, or yung negative 7, yun yung magiging linear term. Yung 10 yung magiging constant term. So, ayan yung sagot. For number 2, if we have x of 1 is equals to negative 3, x of 2 is equals to 8. So, add negative 3 plus 8. So, subtract dahil magkaiba sila ng sign. Sundan yung sign ng mas malaking number. So, the answer will become positive 5. So, sa sum, babaguhin natin yung sign ng positive 5, magiging negative 5. Then, sa product naman, negative 3 times 8. So, pag nag-multiply tayo na unlike sign, the answer is negative. Kaya nakuha natin negative 24. So, the equation will become x squared minus 5x minus 24 is equals to 0. For number 3, if we have x of 1 is equals to negative 2, x of 2 is equals to negative 7. So, add negative 2 plus negative 7, makukuha natin is negative 9. So, change the sign pagdating sa sum, kaya naging positive 9. Then, multiply negative 2 times negative 7, the answer will become positive 14. Kasi when we multiply like signs, ang sagot is positive. Kaya yung product natin, positive 14. So, the equation will become x squared plus 9x plus 14 is equals to 0. Then, for number 4, if x of 1 is equals to negative 6, x of 2 is equal to 0. So, add lang natin negative 6 plus 0. So, still negative 6 pa rin yun. So, change natin yung sign sa sum, kaya naging 6. Sa product naman, any number multiply to 0, ang sagot is 0. So, yung equation natin will become x squared plus 6x equals to 0. Okay, that's all. Now, answer the link for activity 2.3 that I will send in your GC through Google form. Okay, that's all. Thank you.